Hi, I'm Craig Herman with the Kennedy Genius Bar, and I'm here to show you how to replace a battery and a screen on a Chromebook. Alright, so first we're going to start with the battery. You're going to want to flip it over here, and you'll see 7 screws. You're going to want to remove all 7 of these screws. Four, 5, 6, and 7. So now what you're going to want to do is take 2 flathead screwdrivers, one big one and one small one, to look at the inners of the Chromebook and get to the battery. So there's a little opening right here at the front of the back of the Chromebook, and you just lift it up ever so slightly. You don't want to break it, and fit the small one in and get that initial pop-up. And then what you're going to want to do is just work your way around the whole Chromebook, popping everything out so you can get to the inside of the Chromebook. Now that I've removed that, there's 2 screws right here and right here that you're going to have to remove to replace the battery. And now once you have the screws removed, you're going to want to take this connection out just carefully so you don't mess any of these connections up. Then you're going to want to take your new battery, put it back in the connection, and then take those 2 screws from earlier, put those back in, make sure they're nice and tight. And then close it back up, put the cover back over it, snap everything back in. Sometimes the screws won't go in if you don't have them snapped in nice and good. So now you're going to want to put all 7 screws back in. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And that's how you fix a battery or replace one other.